Hey guys, welcome to Tactrix tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about free Midjourney alternative Tensor art tutorial and how to make money online using this free tool. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Let's talk about fantastic alternative to Midjourney, especially if you're just getting started with AI and can't afford those monthly fees onto Midjourney. So I've shifted through numerous free AI tools that can create AI images just as well as Midjourney, and I've picked out the cream of the crop for you. Here's the exciting part. By the end of this video, I'll also show you how to actually make money with this tool. So let me introduce to you here Tensor Art. So getting started with Tensor Art is a breeze. So you'll find a link to their official website in the video description below. So you'll just need to click onto that. And then right after, you should be able to see this page in here or their website. So just for a quick overview, Tensor Art is a free online tool powered by artificial intelligence that allows you to create image from text prompts. So this offers a wide range of AI models and styles, making it easy for users to generate images for various purposes. So Tensor Art also provides opportunities for users to earn money by offering services related to image generation. So it's a user-friendly and accessible platform for creating images using the AI technology. So as you can see, here are some examples on what you would be able to generate onto Tensor Art. And for you to be able to get started, you'll just need to head onto their website. And once you're already in, just simply click on the sign in here onto the upper part of the screen. Then you'll get redirected onto this page wherein it gives you an option to continue with Google or continue with Discord, or you could also continue with email in here. So by continuing, you should agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So I'll choose continue with Google in here. Then right after, you should be able to get redirected onto this page since we're still currently creating a new account. So you'll have an option in here to upload an avatar, create your nickname, also add in a description about your profile, and write in the invitation code. So this is actually optional, but you can use our invitation code. So just check out onto the description box below. Then right after, once you're done, just simply click on to save. Then right after, once you're already done with that, you'd be able to see this page in here or their dashboard. So here onto the upper part, you'll be able to see their logo, and you'd be able to see a search bar wherein you could search for models, users, or anything in here. So you have also the pro version in here. So you could just simply click onto this to subscribe to that. You also have the app. There is a tutorial, their Discord account. You could change the language, the notification, your workspace, and your account settings. So as you can see in here, so if you click onto that, you'd be able to see this page in here. So if you've noticed that there are followers following and runs, downloads, and likes in here, so this is actually a feature on Tensor Art. So it is a social feature that allows users to post and share their created images within the platform. So you could add in here, you could create a project or import from CiviTag so that you could add in here some of the things that you have generated. So it operates somewhat like a social network where users can showcase their creative work, and you could also connect with others who have similar interests. So you can browse through photos or posts from other creators, follow their profiles, and engage with their content. So this provides a space for sharing skills in image creation and potentially building a community of followers who appreciate your work. And it's a great way to gain exposure, get feedback, and connect with like-minded individuals within Tensor Art community. Now let's head back in here. And if you have noticed also this My Credits in here, so let's click onto that. So this is the daily energy that you have. So this is actually a thing wherein you will send or use to send the prompts with. So for you to be able to generate the images, you'll need this daily energy onto your account. But you don't have to worry since as you can see here onto the bottom part, you have this 100 daily energy. And if you would consume this all within just a day, then you'll have also an option to get some by signing in daily. So it will refresh your credits to 100. And also there are additional credits in here wherein if you invite new users to generate images for the first time, you'll have plus 100 daily energy. And if you hosted original model and to run it for one time, you'll be able to get an energy as well. And then here also into the account settings, you'd be able to switch to dark mode and light mode. You'll have the settings and here you could sign out. Now let's head back. Now you could also see the option here, the post onto what I mentioned earlier regarding the posts of other users and the leaderboard. Now if you scroll down in here, you should be able to see the different models that Tensor Art offers. So if you found something that you would like to use, you'll just need to simply click onto it. So for example, if you want to use this high color details, you'll just need to simply click onto that model. And then right after, you should be able to get redirected onto the screen wherein it has the name of the model, which is High Colors Detail Laura. You could see when it was last updated, the version, how many runs and downloads it has, the base model, the steps, and some trigger words that are very helpful onto creating this. So for you to be able to use this, just simply click onto this run and then you should be able to see this page. Now this page, this is where the magic happens onto Tensor Art. So you could see the basic model name in here that we have chosen. You have in here the prompt. So this is where you should put the one that you want to see onto the photo. And here onto the negative prompt, you'll need to put in here the things that you don't want to see onto your photo. So these are some examples onto the prompts that we could put. Now right after, you could also have this image to image feature wherein you could drag or import an image in here to use as a reference onto what you want to achieve onto the photo. You could also choose the aspect ratio for portrait, landscape, square, or you could add in a custom one. So, and you also have some things in here like the sampling steps and CFG scales that you could update to achieve different types of photos. So what you'll just need to do, so let's just start it onto the prompt in here. Now I've gone ahead and already added the prompt in here, and if you have noticed as well, I have changed the model to Joy Anime Mix. So you could choose the different models or you could simply remove it so that you could add in a new one. So as you can see onto the prompt, what I've written in here is anime style, cute adorable bubblegum girl, Pokemon girl, or wearing a bubblegum rainbow outfit, and wearing a rainbow colorful outfit, full body. And also I have some things in here onto the negative prompt, which are extra fingers or the things that I don't want to see onto the photo. So here onto the bottom part, you can see the generation count or the number of energies that would be used per generation. And here are the number of photos. So here you could choose the number of photos that can be generated per click. So let's click on the generate in here and let's see what it will give us. Now, as you can see, here is a photo that it generated. So it is actually onto an anime style and a bubblegum girl wearing a bubblegum or a rainbow colored outfit. So it is also full body. So I think we are actually satisfied with this picture. So let's click onto that for a full view onto the photo. So this is how the photo looks like. So you have the rotate options in here. You could zoom this in and zoom this out as well. And let's head back again to the page. And as you can see, you have the option to remix it, send this to image, upscaler. You have the after detailer, the in paint. Also, you could publish this post and you could download this. So just simply click onto this one to download your image. Now let's go ahead and try out another prompts in here and another model to see what it will give us as well. Now, right after changing the basic model, I've gone ahead also change the prompt in here and the negative prompt, and let's try to see what it will give us. Let's click on to generate. Now, as you can see, here is the photo that it has generated. So it actually has the orange hair that we have here onto the prompt, the bangs, the straight hair, and the pink eyes. Also, we have here the bow that we have mentioned onto the photo. So we'll just need to simply click on to download if you want to use that photo. So let's try to zoom in. And here is the photo that it has generated. So as you can see in here, it has generated a very nice photo, and Tensor Art just not only helps you create amazing images, but also offers opportunities to earn money. So these kinds of images, you can sell it onto a platform that we have in here, which is Fiverr. So you could sell your services in here, so you could make use of Tensor's Art's incredible capabilities. So not just the photos, you could also sell in here the custom image prompt. So this can be a great way to earn on platforms like Fiverr, where people are looking for AI artists to create unique images. So to earn money here on Fiverr, you'll just need to start by creating custom images using prompts on Tensor's Art, or you could copy your prompts and sell it in here, showcase your work and determine your pricing, then promote your gig, handle orders, and deliver high quality work. Fiverr in here will process the payments and you can withdraw your earnings, building a strong reputation through excellent service and positive reviews that can help you attract more clients and increase your earnings over time. And there you have it. In Tensor Art, you have a powerful and free alternative to Midjourney. It's user-friendly and generous with its daily images, and it can even help you make money. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.